arrange, arrange. She arranged the chairs before the meeting. She arranged the chairs before the meeting. Opportunity, opportunity. It's a great opportunity to work in Tokyo. It's a great opportunity to work in Tokyo. Session, session. The morning session starts at 9. The morning session starts at 9. Budget, budget. Our team's budget was cut this quarter. Our team's budget was cut this quarter. Confirm, confirm. Please confirm your reservation by Friday. Please confirm your reservation by Friday. Employee, employee. Every employee gets a free lunch on Fridays. Every employee gets a free lunch on Fridays. Branch, branch. She transferred to the Nagoya branch. She transferred to the Nagoya branch. Method, method. Try this method for folding boxes. Try this method for folding boxes. Reduce, reduce. They want to reduce waste in the office. They want to reduce waste in the office. Warehouse, warehouse. The stock is kept in a warehouse near Osaka. The stock is kept in a warehouse near Osaka.